Good evening, everyone. Valerie here. I wanted to come and share what's in my hospital bag. So I already packed. I have about a week or two left of this pregnancy, and I've never packed this late before. But I finally did it, and I'm going to share with you what's in there. And I have a little helper in here. Okay, so of course I'll be bringing my purse, obviously. So I have my purse. If you're interested in seeing what's in my purse, I'll have that video linked in the upper right corner, one of these sides. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get into what's in the hospital bag. So I'm using a Mary Kay bag. This was given to me by someone who didn't need it anymore, and I have a Dollar Tree scarf on the front because it's Valentine's month. So what I have in here, this has been sitting on my bathroom sink, and it's like my basic makeup kit. So I have this on the bathroom sink. When it's time to go, I'll just grab it and put it in the bag. So this is out for now because I use these things every day. I'll probably open this up and just spread it on the bed and let you guys see what's in it. But I'm not going to go into detail naming every single thing in there. I just opened up a box of Kashi bars. The actual box was taking up way too much space, so I have the 6 bars in here. These are the Kashi chocolate almond sea salt chewy granola bar. Excuse the noise, I apologize. Elia. So I'm okay to eat these now while I'm pregnant with gestational diabetes, so I figured it should be okay for me to have while I'm in the hospital. I'm bringing those. Elia. I also have this little medicine thing, like a daily medicine or vitamin tab divider, and this just has my 2 chewable prenatal vitamins in it per day. I have all 7 days filled, so that way I can still take my prenatals while I'm in the hospital. I have my basic toiletry bag. Again, I will open this up and get a little closer so you can see what's in here. I have my belly band, so that way after I have the baby, I can compress my belly to help my uterus go back into place where it should be. I got this off of Amazon. It came as a set of 3 in the pack. So this is step 1, and I'll have that link in the description below. I have my going home outfit. This is the same dress I wore with my last 2 babies when I came home from the hospital with them. It's super comfortable. Let me open it up for you. So it's just coral and like a navy blue. Coral, or is that black? Nope, that's definitely navy blue. Coral and navy blue striped maternity dress. That's loose, comfortable. So that's what I plan on using for when we're released from the hospital. And I have these like compressor type of pants where it just helps to hold you in. So I have these. And all that's wrapped up inside my dress. I have a robe. I did use this with the last hospital stay. I've had this robe for, I don't know, 20 years. So I have this packed just in case I want to change out of that hospital gown and still have easy access to nurse the baby. The robe is easy, so that way I don't have to worry about lifting my shirt and all of that to nurse her. Speaking of nursing, I have my nursing cover. It came in this really pretty pouch. It feels like silky. And it's one of those versatile covers that can cover the baby's um, car seat, stroller. I can use it as like an infinity scarf, and then also when I'm nursing, I'll put it on over my head, and she will be inside nursing, and I'll be fully covered all around. I'm hoping this will be so much easier than nursing with a baby receiving blanket just partially hanging over and constantly falling. That's what I always did with my boys, and it's just a pain. So hopefully this will be easier with the girl. I have a pair of socks in case my feet are cold and I want to change out of those hospital socks. I may or may not use them, I'm not quite sure. But I'll do a video after we get home from the hospital sharing exactly what I did and did not use from this hospital bag. I have some packages of Crystal Light peach iced tea and peach mango green tea to flavor my water. Again, something I'm allowed to have now with gestational diabetes, so I figured it should be okay to also have while I'm nursing in the hospital. And I have a sleep mask because it's hard to sleep in the hospital with the lights on all the time, and the nurses constantly in and out every couple of hours checking on you and baby, so that would probably help me get a little bit of sleep in between the blood pressure checks and all the rest. I have another belly band, and this one is much wider and larger than the first one, so I'm not quite sure which one I'll need, but I have both just in case. I can figure out which one I need to use after I have the baby based on how big around I am afterwards. I have a receiving blanket, which is just like a pale mint green and white with some giraffes print on it. I have a couple of burp cloths, pink one with pink and gray elephants, and a white one with a pink girly looking owl and a gray boyish looking owl. I have 3 diapers, newborn, and a small pack of wipes. I know they always give these in the hospitals, but when we're leaving from the hospital to, say, grandma's house, I want to have something just in case in that transport we need to change her, because we usually stop by my husband's parents' house to pick up the rest of the kids, and then stay there a little while so that they can meet the baby. Here comes my little helper too. Yes, my love. Okay, just take out the rest of what was in here. So I'm going to set this aside. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Alright, I have 3 little sets of clothing here for the baby. I have one in a Ziploc, another one in a little baggie, and then this set. And they're separated by size. You never know really how big your baby's going to be or what clothes they're going to fit. And yes, the hospital gives the plain white, clothing for the baby to wear immediately after birth. Careful, my love. You're scaring me. You're rolling all over. So I have a couple of sizes for her. These are the preemie sizes. I doubt she's going to be that small because I'm full term, and she's estimating to be about 7 pounds 1 ounce right now. So I doubt she's going to be that tiny. But again, you never know. And I've never had a girl, so I don't really know how big or small they are compared to boys when they're born. So I have a couple of outfits for preemie. This one, pink one with a bow, and a floral one. The first one I showed has a matching mitten set. Excuse me, my love. Thank you. Okay, in this smaller bag, I have some socks and mittens. So some different socks, baby pink, darker pink, both have a bow that I've had since my 2 little boys were born. I have 2 little bows for her hair, a pink polka dot and a purple polka dot. Here's another pair of mittens, pink with white polka dots and some onesies. Here's a warm onesie that says, I love my mommy and daddy so much, and it has ruffles along the back. So that one. Here's a pretty polka dot heart onesie. These are 0 to 3 month sizes, so this is in case she's a little big. Eli, be careful, baby. And this one says perfect, and it's a long sleeve with some florals. Eli, sit down, please. You're scaring the crap out of me. Okay, that's all for the 0 to 3 month size. In this last bag, I have her newborn clothes, I believe, which is the size I'm expecting her to wear. Come here, dude. You're scaring me. You need to sit with mommy. Yes, come on. He's jumping too close to the edge, and I am too big to reach him quick enough if he falls. So you're going to hang with me. He loves watching Dino Dana. That's what I have on the TV here, and it's on mute. Every time it comes on, he goes, Dino Dana! Right, Papa? You love Dino Dana? Yeah. Okay, I have this hat and mitten set, and it looks like it has a little bunny rabbit or something. It says love, hello, and it's super cute. So I have that set here. Here's a couple of onesies. You, me, and a big hug. I have a pink plain hat. This one that says hello world. I was thinking I wanted this to be her first one that she wore, like that we took pictures in, her first outfit, with the pink hat. Here's a warm one that has the built-in mittens in the sleeve, and it has love you, too cute, a smile that shines, and it's a button up on the front. Eli, come here, baby. Come here. Stay with mama, please. You're scaring me. Okay. I bought this set off of Amazon, and here's the onesie. It says, the princess has arrived. I was thinking of this one being her coming home outfit, and it has a matching hat that you tie in a little top knot up here, and it has hearts and arrows because, you know, Valentine's Day just passed. It has the matching little pants, and it also has a super cute bow. It's not a bow right now, but you tie it around the head. Look, imagine if he was a girl. Tie it around the head, and there you go. You have a little headband. You can tie it into a bow or whatever. So that's her. I was thinking that could be her coming home outfit. And I have this little set. It's a hot pink long sleeve with hearts, a matching hat, and a white mittens with hot pink and gray and light pink hearts. So those are all her clothes that I have packed for her in different sizes. I'm not quite sure what size she'll need. I'm pretty sure she'll need this size, which is why I have the most of newborn packed. But anyways, just in case she's smaller or bigger than I anticipate, we'll figure it out as the time comes. And every time I leave the house or get in the car, I bring this hospital bag with me and put it in the trunk, and it's just in case, you never know, I might go into labor while we're out of the house. And that is everything in my hospital bag. I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera, stop, so that you can see what I have in the toiletry and the makeup bag. Okay, so as we're heading out, I probably would also grab my iPad and charger and toss that into my hospital bag as well. Here's what's in my makeup bag of some makeup brushes, some concealers, a loose Coty Airspun Loose Powder Sharpener, eyebrow pencil, eyeliner pencil, eyebrow clear mascara. This I got from the Dollar Tree. I use it on my eyes and as contour. This again, this highlight, I use it on my eyes and as highlight. A blush from CoverGirl. Chapstick, 2 lip pencils. I actually have this one is like a pinkish lip pencil. This one's a nude. And I have a red one in my purse. My eyelash curler, waterproof and regular mascara, perfume, and a random pen. Some cotton swabs and a round cotton puff. A hair clip, nail clipper, tweezers, and a hair tie. And that's all that's in my makeup bag. I do have a few more lip products in my purse that stay in there pretty much, so those will be with me as well. Okay, now for what's in my toiletry bag. I have mine and my husband's little travel loofahs and toothbrushes and toothpaste. I have a travel deodorant. I have a mosquito bite or a itch relief stick for a different type of like bites and itches. A dry shampoo. This is my makeup like setting spray that I made myself. Lotion, body mist, cotton rounds to take off makeup in case I do it there. I'm not quite sure if I will. Some cotton swabs for your ears, toothpicks and floss. My Clairsonic. I have some AM/PM facial lotion or lotion. I'll probably use that on my face. And I have some satin hands from Mary Kay. Some things that are not in here yet are a small bottle of my face wash to go with this, and a small bottle of my makeup remover to use with these to take off my waterproof mascara. And that is everything in my makeup on my toiletry bag and everything in my hospital bag. Here's my little guy playing with diapers. Hey! Hey, say hi. Hi. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Say bye-bye.